Hello interwebs and welcome back. I'm Shanna and this is where I share my life and stories and adventures and opinions and whatever else I feel like. Now, you have come across my Hawaii adventures and this is day 7, part 2, where after Pearl Harbor, Padre and I head back to the hotel to find Madre and go on a sub. Awesome day and how I'm super excited.
I always feel silly saying that, but sometimes it happens. You'll stand on the hill. Beautiful dolphin there, huh? Maybe you're going to help me out. Oh, because the submarine is still out. Looks like a jacuzzi, right? So I'd say about another minute or so. Turn around on the water. And here she is, everybody.
Yeah.
14. That's your ride. There she is.
On her face.
I'll try not to.
Be nice to your mom.
No matter how much fun it sounds.
Not only is he the captain, he's my boss. So make sure you say how much fun you had, because my seller might go a little bit. Way in the back we've got Kyle. Big round applause, Kyle. Thank you very much. Kyle has an extremely important job. He is literally the back mirror for Captain Jason. Because Captain Jason can't. The bottom here is about 80 feet. Now, on the right side in the front with me, if you look straight out that way, you can see how we're just going to sand. So that sandy part is 100 feet. The left side, we're almost there. You guys are designed by the University of Hawaii. And some of them have 4 floors, some of them have 2. That's because of the hurricane. You guys on the right side, the blackfish are damsel fish. The white fish are goldfish. See, you guys on the right, look at how the fish are all grouped together and they're swimming against the current. So you can tell which way the current's going just by what the fish are doing. And they're all eating plankton. And that other fish in the group there, that is called a puffer fish. That is our most poisonous fish in Hawaii. It is against the law to serve that in a restaurant. Are from the Asahi Chemical Corporation in Osaka, Japan. See those big silverfish at the top? That is the most aggressive fish we have here. That is a giant trevally. As I'm speaking to you right now, they are ramming the bottom of the sub because we are in the way. If you were to look at the bottom, other than that, you know, those trevally out there, they're basically the bullies of the sea. They kind of get rid of them, they kick everybody out. You can actually still read the sign that says Atlantis Submarine, Asahi Chemical Corporation, Osaka, Japan. And the right in the front with me, see them all out there? All those trevally. Oh, wait till you see the big ones I'm going to show you a little bit. Looks like it's a little minnows. Now, everybody, what they use these structures for, they use them all through Asia. If we have anybody here from the northwest coast, they also use them there. I know in apparently California they use a lot of them. After they're sunk in the ocean, first of all, these are toys. The ones that they use are like 7 times this size. After they sink them in the ocean, within a month they're covered with seaweed. And every month the divers go down and cut the seaweed out and use that for food and medicine. If you've ever had sushi, the green covering, the nori, that's where that comes from. But again, our water is too salty and warm for that. Turn black and then hide in the submarine. So can you imagine you're down here diving and that guy comes up to you? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I've watched him bite sharks so many times just to get the sharks in the reef. They'll come up to a sleeping shark. Now as Captain Jason comes over the reef, you guys on the left side here, we're going to start to see the coral and the little fish and stuff. Lots of coral, but how come no color? Everybody, when we descended today, the density of the water absorbed our reds, yellows, and oranges. In front here, see those guys? Now those are 60 pounds. Now they're getting bigger. Look at this. Can you imagine having that guy run into you? Oh my goodness. I tell you, I screamed through my regulator when that guy did it. Okay, here we go. It's just the wings. Oh, everybody take a look at our depth gauge. You're now in 105 feet of water. Congratulations. If I'm diving down here, I look up, I can see the dive boat. The yellow fish are blue striped snapper, and they're all eating plankton. They're all facing the current. The fish with that yellow stripe across the eye, that's a big-eyed emperor. And if you like to eat fish, guys, that's the one to have. And look at these guys under the wings. Look at the size of that one right there. See how jet black it turned? Something spooked them. They probably saw an octopus or something. Okay guys, here we go. The black and white striped fish are pennant fish. That rope lets us know which side to go on. And here we go. Now guys, look at the size of the trevally there. You're talking 100 pounds. See them right under there? Look at the size of those guys. Those, I would say, are as close to 100 pounds as you're going to get. And the only reason why they're swimming around like that is because of the submarine. And that white rope there, that's what the divers hold on to when we ascend and descend. Wow, those guys are big, aren't they? Everybody, everything that you see right now, about an hour before sunset, multiply it by 10. That's when it's up here that you guys are seeing in the front, and they hide. The white, the pipes that you see there, that's where the fuel and the oil is pumped out of. These are like floating gas stations. They made 2 5-10 submarines, I think it was in Washington. And to go to the Titanic, what they do is they don't use the batteries to save the battery power. It takes 2.5 hours to get to it. They do a free fall.
Here, there.
They're saying, feed me. They're using crackers. See that little indentation by the tail? That's like a razor blade. I have been cut from my hip to my knee by one of those. Here we go, guys. Look at the big-eyed emperor. That's a big-eyed emperor right down there. A little bit of gravel on the deck, right there, so you can see him covered up. And it's, like I said, it's rusting away. And again, there's that rope. See now, if we'd have gone on the other side, we'd have probably run into it. See, that rope is showing it, the current's actually pushing us away from it. So it just makes it easier. We're not going to hit it. Okay guys, while we're doing a big U-turn, this is the stuff. This is how thick our windows are. Heavy up, okay? The one they probably take on the Titanic must be about that thick, okay? Because of refraction in the water, that's why we have an airspace between our eyes and the water. Everything looks about 20% bigger and closer than it really is. So, and there's the bubbles, guys. We're going up faster. We did it, guys. How about a round of applause for our captain up here?
We saw one.
Oh, that's right. We did. We saw that one. That's right.
So that was really freaking cool. Definitely recommend doing one of those submarine tours if you have the opportunity. I don't know how the video turned out because, you know, you lose different colors as you go down and we're filming through a window, but hopefully I got some good footage I can share with you guys. And yeah, definitely check it out. That was fun.
The submarine tour, I think I said this, but if I didn't, it's awesome. Definitely worth doing. And post-submarine tour, we just kind of hung around a little bit until Madre's birthday dinner. She wanted to go to none other than Cheesecake Factory, and who wouldn't be happy about that? So let's go ahead and take a look.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Are we going to sing to her? Can we sing to her?
No, I'm gonna sing to her.
Oh, you're going to sing to her?
We're all going to sing it.
We're all going to
I'm
sing?
gonna sing.
Only you? Okay.
Because I want to make it nice and special.
Oh, all right. There you go.
Are you going to dance too?
Alright, do you want the traditional song or a different song? Okay, here we go, ready? So, attention to Cheesecake Factory. It's a very important birthday today because it's Marcine's birthday. Thank you for coming in tonight. Here we are. Happy birthday to you. This is your day. On this day for you. We're gonna love you in every way. This is your day. Your day. Happy birthday, Marcine. Wow. Thank you.
Blow your candles out.
Great job.
Yay!
And that pretty much wraps it up for this one. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and keep an eye out for my final notes on my last day and the trip back and what I actually did on that last day too. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!